All right, so I just had my filmer telling me that in the last video we had this that was showing up in a glare. So hopefully you guys can see it now where it says miles equal 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 5,280 feet, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, and 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go through the process of finding the distance on the map and converting that to a land distance. So what I would like to do is I would like to pick 2 spots. Let's pick the New Unity Church, and let's pick the Avens Church. Okay, so if I could get the camera to come up and take a quick look at where these 2 locations are. We have the New Unity Church here, and we have the Avens Church here. Now, if I want to find out how many miles on land it is between these 2 locations, what's the first thing I'm going to do?
Well, you have to measure the distance.
Measure the distance where? On the map, right?
Yes, on the map.
Have to come up with a map distance. Now my question is, since I'm asking for this in miles, what unit are you going to measure in? Your choices are centimeters or inches.
Inches.
Why are you going to measure in inches?
Because we have a fairly clean-cut conversion for it.
Because it's easier to convert from inches to miles than it is from centimeters to miles. So we don't have to go through that 2.54 number.
Yes.
Right. If I was asking you for kilometers, because we know that this scale, 1 to 24,000, is unitless, we could measure in centimeters and then convert to kilometers easier. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure then the distance between New Unity Church and Avens Church. So in inches, this comes to we're going to say 9.25. So our map distance equals 9.25 inches. Our land distance then equals what?
9.25 miles.
No.
Just kidding. Feet. No.
What is the fractional scale?
1 to 24,000.
How do we get the land distance? We multiply our map distance by our fractional
20.
scale. So our land distance is 9.25 times 24,000. Somebody tell me what that equals, please?
Dandy. 9.25 times 24,000. 222,000
222,000 what?
inches.
Inches. All right, so now we know that in a straight line distance from this point to this point, our land distance is 22,000 inches. In the next video, we're going to take these inches and change them into miles so that we get the right unit that we're being asked for.